name is Nikhil Maurya, and this is my basic banking project for my internship program. So basically, in this banking project, we have to create a basic banking management system. In order to, we have to retrieve some data from customer, or basically we have to send money, and we can retrieve the data. So basically, I have used React in this case for a front end part, and these are the basic packages I have used from here. And basically, the decoration part for this website I am using is Tailwind CSS. So this is my website. So this is website. We can see that this is a header body, and this is a navigation bar, and again this is a carousel. Basically, in order to give some decorative, basically it is used to make our website in a good manner. And these are the mainly two buttons which do a big function in this. So first of all, we can see that on clicking on view transaction, so from now we can see that there is nothing else. On click on view transaction, we can see our 10 values. Basically, these are the 10 citizen whom or I have provided the money. So basically, we can see that from our database as well, that I have provided 10 values initially. But now I am going to show you that how can we retrieve data, or but now I am showing the function of add transaction. First of all, I'm putting some name, then a random account number, then a bank name, then some amount, and just click on submit it. So it will give a prompt. Basically, I have used swell for this case. So if I cancel it, it will move back. And on clicking again on submit, and if I click yes, so that will add my this data in the database. So now we will check up on our database. We can retrieve our data. So basically, this is the Nikhil, and we can see the all data, that is account number, its bank name, and even what amount I am providing it. So that's all about this project. Thank you.